my channel. So today's video will be a tutorial on this classic red lip look.
So red lips tayo today.
Plus my giveaway, please keep on watching.
Play natin.
The way that I put my bronzer is into this 3 form. Now what this is going to do is it's going to put back the ones to the face.
3 daw.
It's going to help you transition from bronzer to contouring. More subtle and hindi ganun ka-stark na contoured out yung face ko. And I would also apply dito sa sides ng
Nakaka-pressure. Now
we are off to contouring and I'm going to use this shade from my Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette. Based from the look guys, it's just a subtle contour, so dahan-dahan lang ang pag-a-apply ng contour. Now with what's left on the brush, I'm going to apply sa edges and under the jawline just to define. Again, on the sides of the
para sa nose ko. Pero we'll make it work.
nose, I have to bow down and I'm going to apply under the eye, bringing it down to V and to the temples. And of course, dito sa lids, center of the forehead, nose line, keep it low, and dito sa my chin. Also, with the rounded side of my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend.
Okay. Oh, wait lang. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Okay.
Then, with my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in medium brown, I'm going to use the lighter shade.
Since magka-color naman sila ng warm taupe,
Brushing the hair. The brows that I'm loving as of the moment, as you can see, the lower arch is defined, but yung upper arch is somewhat natural.
so sa kanya defined sa ilalim, tapos natural na sa taas. Okay. Hanggang dyan lang ang kaya ng powers ko. Okay, next.
Natural. This brow set is going to lighten the brows and konting-konti lang yung kailangan. Apply sparingly and I'm not going to blend this with the wand. I'm going to use a clean spoolie para hindi na madagdagan yung product and just distributing the product throughout the brows. Shadow part is super easy guys. I'm just going to use 2 eyeshadows because matatakpan din naman siya ng fanned out lashes. Now I'm going to take this bone color and apply it dito sa lower arch. Taking this eyeshadow and applying it just like one wash on the lids. Sobrang dali lang niya guys, as in, and this is optional, pwede kang gumamit na ibang shades, but just to follow the filter
One wash ko
and blending out. I'm just going to apply eyeliner. If you're like me, kailangan dahan-dahan kasi hindi man ako magaling.
I'm like you, na kailangan dahan-dahan. Sige, dahan-dahanin natin to, baby. So that is the best that I can do. Yung eyeliner.
Now moving on guys, I'm going to use a cream eyeliner kasi mukha namang walang eyeliner na suot dun sa picture na kinuha ko through Makeup Plus. Going to curl my lashes and then later on apply mascara. And what I do not curl the other side pag hindi ko pa siya handang lagyan ng mascara. Later ko na lang siya i-curl para hindi bumagsak yung pagkaka-curl. I'm going to apply these false lashes. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes. For my classic red lipstick, I'm going to use this Christian Louboutin lipstick in the shade Rouge Louboutin. But before I use this one up guys, I'm going to use a red lip liner from NYX. Actually, it's not really red. It's an orange lip liner. It's going to make the red lipstick pop. It's time to apply a red lipstick, and this is how it looks like when you open it. It says here Christian Louboutin, and when you twist, this is how it looks.
Wow. So when you twist, this is how it looks like. Essence Cosmetics. So lagay natin.
How to balance this look guys, I'm going to use an earth
So
tone
for
blush.
blush, Essence Satin Blush in the shade Satin Love. Now,
For the highlighter, you can use something with golden
shade
tones.
with golden tones.